Hi everyone. Today I'm making some super tasty vegan patties with spinach and quinoa. Let's get started. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Enjoy your meal.